Remote agents expand scalability of the entire system through dissipating the load of the main server to several other servers, which are spread across different locations. EasyDCIM and the remote agent can operate in completely independent subnets. Now, such a pattern of application architecture significantly increases the efficiency and security of the whole system. For example, remote agents are useful as a server that is responsible for collecting and processing information about the devices, such as data transfer usage, current device load, and power usage. A server that is responsible for automatic operating systems installation in appropriate subnets. In order to add a remote agent, choose the More option from the side menu, and then proceed to Remote Agents. Select the Add Remote Agent function from the top action menu. The remote agent should be installed on an external server where one of the supported operating systems runs. Once the server is prepared, connect it with SSH and run the installation command. The command can be found in the Add Remote Agent view. The installation script will be downloaded and run automatically. After proper installation, you need to synchronize the remote agent with EasyDCIM. Access data such as IP address and API remote agent key will be provided as soon as the installation script is finished. Next, proceed to the form of adding a remote agent in EasyDCIM. The form contains the following fields: Name of the remote agent. It can be any name that will allow you to identify the remote agent better. Remote agent IP address. The IP address of the server on which the remote agent was installed. Remote agent API key. The API key that was generated during remote agent installation. Remote agent PXE IP. The IP address used by DHCP and TFTP servers to automatically install operating systems. It's usually the same as remote agent IP address. After filling in the form, you need to save changes. The connection between EasyDCIM and the remote agent will be performed automatically. If it's successful, you'll be redirected to the remote agent summary view. The summary section informs about the current status of the agent. You'll find there details about synchronization status, current version, and configured network interfaces. Moreover, all the information about the status of network services such as DHCP server, TFTP server, or Samba server will be displayed there. The remote agent has been added to EasyDCIM and is ready for use. In the next videos, you'll learn how to properly configure the data collection process and the operating system installation module with the use of the remote agent.